About a week ago, a company called Remo Software reached out to me to check out their video repair tool. Now, it took me a while to make this video because I didn't know exactly how to evaluate this thing. This tool is pretty straightforward. It takes a corrupt video file and takes a reference video file and then builds that corrupted video from scratch. So it tries to recover the corrupted data by rebuilding it using the reference file. Let's say you have a camera and you're recording a bunch of footage, which is pretty common for creators like me. And let's say you shot 3 clips, right? 2 of them are fine, but one of them, when you're copying over to, say, from your SSD to your PC, got corrupted. It's very unlikely it happens like that, but I have seen it happen once when I was copying a video file from my PC to an SSD. Somehow it got corrupted in the SSD. Thankfully I had the backup in my PC, so it was fine. Otherwise I could have lost that entire video. So in that scenario, this tool will be really helpful. All you have to do is launch it, select the corrupted video file, and then provide the reference video file which was shot in the same camera using the same settings. The frame rate and other metadata should be the same. And then it does its AI magic and reconstructs the original video. So here you can see in this example, it managed to do just that. I wish I had more examples to show you. I tried to recreate more using some online tools. This is a useful tool for someone who constantly, copies data back and forth between multiple storage devices. There's always a possibility that data could get corrupt in one copy, so you can always reconstruct it using another copy like that. That's why I asked you on Discord to send me any corrupt video files that you have so I can try to recover them so we can better evaluate this tool. So far I haven't gotten any, but still that offer remains. If you have any corrupt files, you can send it over. All you need to send alongside it is a similar video file shot from the same camera. Whichever was the camera that shot that source video which was corrupted, use the same camera and shoot another reference clip, and let's see how well this AI works. But in the meantime, I'll leave this Remo Software Video Repair tool linked in the description. Go check them out. When you have the right clips, it seems to work really well. And thanks again to Remo Software for providing me access so I can test this out.